what is the difference between a base class and a superclass? See, here we have a base class, and the class which is inheriting this is called the subclass. So this is your father above one, and you are the son below one. Now your father gives all the money and the property to you. This happens normally. So you are inheriting his property. You are inheriting his money. So your father is the base class or the super class or the parent class. Of course, he is a parent. And you are the subclass, derived class and child class. You will have your money. You will also have your father's money. So there is a possibility of this kind of stuff. We call it as reusability. And inheritance is represented like this. That is, inheritance just means that the base class content, whichever is public and protected, will be coming inside the subclass. The subclass don't have to write this functions and data variable of the base class. It will automatically inherit when it extends, or it will when it inherits or extends, whichever way you say, it will get all the content from there, not the private one. So this is the base class, is the root class. This is a more generalized class. All these three content is coming here. So 3 plus 3, 6 will be coming in the subclass. So we are talking about now the C++. You have to understand C++, Java, because they both are object-oriented programming languages. So we have the class, base class. It is helping to derive or create a new classes. The derived class, the class created or derived from the already existing class. Okay. The above one is called as the parent class, superclass. The below one we call it as child class or subclass. See, base class, the base class cannot inherit the properties and method of the derived class. But the derived class, why it is called derived class? Because it is inheriting the properties and method of the base class. The inverse is not possible. Okay.